Dave here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your autoresponder with the Prosperity marketing system. It's very easy to do, believe it or not. Now what you'll need to do to make sure that you've got your autoresponder connected is go to the personal branding, because Prosperity marketing system is yours, so therefore you need to have it personally branded for you, and by being a student and having your own as add-on, then that allows you to do what I'm going to show you to do here. So go to the personal branding section and click on Autoresponder, and that will bring you up all the autoresponders that are allowed to be or work with Prosperity marketing system. They're allowed to integrate it in. It's very, very simple. You'll see GetResponse, Aweber, iContact, all the popular ones here. But if your one isn't on this list, don't worry. Just click on Other, and then you can find out what you can actually do and how you can actually do it. You can actually put whatever you want to have in it, whether it's SendShark or whether it's another autoresponder that's not featured here. So what you would do is you would click on that, choose any one that you want to, and then what it then does, it gives you it tells you here how to integrate Aweber. I'm choosing Aweber because it's easy to use, and I have it on my blog, which is what I'm going to show you in a minute. But you choose Aweber, and then it gives you the instructions down here. You follow those very carefully, and then what you will then do is, once you've created your form with Aweber, you can then come across to your blog, and you can then put the autoresponder form literally onto the blog that's there like that, and that's how it will show up on there. But that's how you would integrate the autoresponder that you have got onto your blog, so that then you're going to build your list both with Prosperity marketing system and also on your list as well with Prosperity marketing system. So that's how you would do it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope it's been of use for you. If you want to get more videos like this, then don't forget to click the bell icon, and that way you'll get notified of every video upload that's done to this channel. And feel free to like, comment below. My name's Dave Hayes. Enjoy it. Speak to you soon.